Chapter 6, Secondary Activities, which is generally called manufacturing sector. Today in this chapter we will learn about the cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industry in the world have been grouped into three categories. One is handloom, powerloom, and the mill sector. Handloom sector is a labor intensive and provide employment to semi-skilled worker. Though this requires small capital investment, but this sector has large potential to provide employment, and this was the reason Mahatma Gandhi in India propagated khadi as a part of independent movement. This sector of handloom include spinning, weaving, finishing of the fabric. Second sector, powerloom. Powerloom sector introduced machines and became less labor intensive, and the volume of production in this sector has been increased. Third sector, this is called mill sector, which include the cotton textile mills, is highly labor intensive, capital intensive, and produce fine quality of cloths. But due to this development of mill sector, handloom have been declined in the world. Like in other industries, there are some locational factors. Same with the cotton textile industry, locational factor include raw material. Raw material, as in any other industry, the importance of raw material is very much. Industry is located where raw material is available, and the cost of transporting raw material is cheap and easy. As this is a agro based industry, so for agro processing, this type of industry should be close to the source of farm produce. Labor, this industry, for this in the labor should be skilled and cheap. So this is one of the important factor for this industry, which need skilled labor. So this industry is located and developed in those regions where labor is available. Capital investment is required for the development of cotton textile industry. Transport and communication is very important, because speedy and efficient transport facility helps to carry raw material to the factory and to move finished good to the market is essential for the development of cotton textile industry. The cost of transport in cotton textile industry play a important role for the location of industrial units. Power supply, as any other industry, this is located where source of energy supply is in proximity. Access to market is very important. This type of industry can exist in those areas where market is available. Existence of market for the manufacture textile is most important factor in the location of cotton textile industry. Market mean people who have demand for these goods. India and Western European country have market. That is why large number of cotton textile industries are growing in this part of the world. In the distribution, India, China, USA, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Egypt, which produce more than half of the world raw cotton. That's why a large number of cotton textile industry have appeared after second half of second half of 19th century. UK, northwestern Europe, Japan. Textile industry, cotton textile industry depend upon the importing cotton and yarn. Though these countries, UK, were northwestern European countries of Luxembourg, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, and France do not have their own raw material, as well Japan. But the industry of these countries sustain over the imported cotton and yarn from Asian and African countries of India, China, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Egypt, and Brazil. In the problem of cotton textile industry, there are few problems which have been faced by cotton textile industry in different part of the world. Very first problem is the availability of raw material. Most of the industries in the world, like industry where they do not have their own cotton, like Japan, northwestern European country like UK, France, industries are facing problem of raw material, because the country from where they used to import cotton, they have set up their own industries. Second problem, there is a problem of competition with the synthetic fiber. The industry has to face stiff competition with the synthetic fiber, as it has now shown a declining trend in many of the countries due to this. Labor problem is very much because with the scientific advancement and technological improvement, the structure of industry have been changed. For example, Germany recorded constant growth in cotton textile industry since Second World War till the 17th, but now it has declined. It has shifted to less developed countries where labor is easily available at cheap and labor is skilled. Thank you.